Welcome again, my dear students. Now, next topic is Tipu Sultan, the Tiger of Mysore. Dear all, we have discussed about the system of subsidiary alliance that led to the expansion of the British Empire in India. When the British Company saw a warning or threat to its political or economic interests, it used military power directly. This can be mentioned with the case of Indian state of Mysore. Now, let's consider quizzically. First question from this topic: who were the powerful rulers of the southern Indian state of Mysore? The powerful rulers of Mysore were Hyder Ali and his famous son Tipu Sultan. Hyder Ali ruled over Mysore during 1761 to 1782, and Tipu Sultan ruled over Mysore during 1782 to 1799. Next important question: why were the British furious with Tipu Sultan? The British were very angry with Tipu Sultan because in 1785 Tipu Sultan stopped the export of sandalwood, pepper, and cardamom through the port of his kingdom. He disallowed local merchants for trading with company, and he also established a close relationship with French and modernized his army with their help. The next question: mention about the Treaty of Srirangapattam. The Treaty of Srirangapattam, signed on 18th March 1792, by which Tipu Sultan's two sons were taken away as hostages. The Treaty of Srirangapattam was signed among Marathas, Nizam of Hyderabad, and the British Company. Next important question: why did Tipu forced to sign the Treaty of Srirangapattam? In 1792, the combined forces of Marathas, Nizam of Hyderabad, and the company defeated Tipu Sultan. Lord Cornwallis was Governor General during that time. And next question is, who is known as the Tiger of Mysore and why? Tipu Sultan is known as the Tiger of Mysore. It is said that once he went hunting in the forest with a French friend. There he came face to face with a tiger. His gun did not work, and his dagger fell to the ground. He battled with the tiger unarmed until he managed to reach down and pick up the dagger. Finally, he was able to kill the tiger in the battle. After this, he came to be known as the Tiger of Mysore. Next question. How was Tipu Sultan defeated by the British? The forces of British East India Company were supported by the Nizam of Hyderabad in Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Tipu Sultan was killed on 4th May 1799 while defending his fort of Srirangapattam. Seventh question. This is the last question from this topic. What was the result of Fourth Anglo-Mysore War? Tipu Sultan was killed while defending his capital Srirangapattam. Mysore was placed under the former ruling dynasty of Vodiyar, and subsidiary alliance was imposed on the state. Dear students, these questions are very important from this topic. You should note down all these important questions. Thank you so much.